Want to use ChatGPT as your default digital assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A56? Let me show you how to set it up. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon to open the search bar. Tap your profile name to open the settings. Scroll down and select voice. Find the option called use as default assistant and tap it. This will open your Android assistant settings. Tap digital assistant app. Then select ChatGPT from the list. When selected, ChatGPT will become your default digital assistant on your phone. And that's how to set ChatGPT as the default assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.